Have you ever wanted to experience the great outdoors without giving up your creature comforts? Enter the world of glamping, a fusion of glamour and camping that is rapidly redefining outdoor adventures. Accommodations. Imagine spacious tents with plush king-sized beds, yurts with chic decor, cozy cabins nestled in the woods, tree houses perched among the canopy, or even fully equipped luxury RVs. These are not your ordinary camping accommodations. This is glamping, where comfort meets adventure, where a good night's sleep is guaranteed, even in the heart of wilderness. Amenities. No more fumbling in the dark for a flashlight or braving the elements to reach a communal bathroom. From private bathrooms with hot showers to electricity, heating, air conditioning, and Wi-Fi, glamping sites come equipped with all the modern conveniences you'd expect from a luxury hotel. Some even provide gourmet dining under the stars. Natural setting. Picture waking up to a chorus of birdsong, savoring your morning coffee while gazing at a pristine lake, or watching the sunset turn the sky ablaze from your private deck. Glamping sites are typically nestled in breathtaking natural settings, offering guests the opportunity to immerse themselves in nature's splendor without compromising on comfort. Activities. Glamping isn't just about luxury accommodations and amenities, it's about embracing the great outdoors. From hiking and fishing to kayaking and wildlife watching, glamping offers a wealth of outdoor activities. And for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, some sites offer wellness activities such as yoga sessions, spa treatments, or even guided meditation in the wilderness. Privacy and seclusion. Many glamping sites are designed to offer guests a sense of privacy and seclusion, a tranquil haven where they can disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature, far from the hustle and bustle of traditional campgrounds. Short pause. Customized experiences. Glamping is all about personalization. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family-friendly adventure, or a themed stay like a safari-style glamping experience, or an eco-friendly retreat, glamping providers are often happy to tailor experiences to your preferences. Safety and comfort. Glamping strikes a balance between the thrill of the outdoors and the safety and comfort of luxury accommodations. It's an appealing choice for those who love nature, but prefer a higher level of comfort and safety than traditional camping offers. Section 8. Accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a novice to the great outdoors, glamping is accessible to everyone. It's the perfect option for those seeking a unique and memorable vacation without the hassle of setting up camp or carrying heavy gear. Glamping is the perfect blend of nature and luxury, offering a unique and unforgettable outdoor experience with a touch of indulgence and relaxation. It's about immersing yourself in the beauty of the natural world while enjoying the comforts and amenities of upscale accommodations. So, if you're ready to experience the great outdoors in a whole new light, it's time to give glamping a try.